Good morning to each and every one of you. Today is Wednesday. It is the 20th of May. Welcome to it. My good things for today are sleeping in. This morning my alarm went off at 5 o'clock and I rolled over and turned it off and went back to sleep for like 90 minutes. It felt glorious. Some of the good things you guys shared yesterday are ballet point class, good grades, leaves, being emperor of the house, gold coins, football practice, keeper of the lost cities, banners, hoverboards, virtual career day, purple hair, family, cryptids, laughing, good burger, high school musical 2, banners, ice cream, brownies, and Oreo cake. So this will be a short video today. We are actually starting a new chapter in social science today. It is entitled The Scientific Revolution. I would like you to read chapter 13, section 1. You can access it on Aries. I have a chapter 13 tab right here that I have published this morning. My notes are right here on that chapter 13 tab. There actually isn't much else there except for my notes. So read chapter 13:1. Do your notes. That's it. Short video today. Easy assignment. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. This might be my shortest video ever. Bye-bye.